Greetings everyone, today we will unbox a new Rock OM80E IP PBX. It is a medium-sized PBX that can max support 216 SIP trunks and 168 IP extensions. It is suited for medium-sized projects that have fewer than 200 users. Inside the package, there is the quick installation sheet, accessories, and the main frame. Let's open the accessories box and see what's in it. Yellow grounding cable. The power wire. Installation accessories. Let's have a look at the PBX. OM80E series IP PBX is flexible with 8 to 48 FXS or FXO ports. On the back of the device. 4 status light. Reset button to restore factory settings. CON port used to connect serial terminal for background debugging. 2 gigabit Ethernet. The main power. The backup power. 4 high power redundancy. Ground terminal for connecting ground cable. Thank you for watching today's unboxing video. Follow the new Rock YouTube channel for more information.